This is the Menarini Tretinion gel in 0.5%. Okay, I have been using this product for months now. For months. So I'm going to show you how I used this Tretinion gel to achieve a very youthful looking complexion. Okay, like this is the same tube I used though. So I'm going to show you how I did it without going through the paging phase. It is time to talk about it. It is time to review it. So if you want to know more about this product, keep watching and let's get deeper into the video. So now, in case you do not know, tretinoin is a very powerful antioxidant that can help bring your aging skin back to looking youthful again, like 10 times younger than you actually are. Okay, but the problem now is a lot of people do not know how to use this tretinoin. A lot of people are getting it wrong when it comes to using tretinoin or applying tretinoin on their skin. If you're watching this video and you think tretinoin is like a simple moisturizer that you can just slap on your skin anyhow, anytime, that is your first step in getting your skin ruined. But if you can learn how to use this tretinoin the right way, if you use it the right way, your skin is going to look very silky, very smooth, very shiny, very dewy, very youthful. No acne breakouts, no wrinkles, no fine lines, just a very glassy, youthful looking skin. Okay, now this brand actually comes in 3 strengths. We have the lower strength, which is 0.025%. The pictures will be here on your screen. So we have the lower strength, which is the 0.025%, which is very perfect for beginners, for first time tretinoin users, for people who have never used tretinoin on their skin. And then the second strength is this one, which is 0.5%, which is for skincare fanatics like me. Okay, like we feel like we know more about skincare, and so we can upgrade from 0.025 to 0.5%. And now the 0.1% is for people who have been using tretinoin for a very long time, okay, for like maybe a year, and wants to upgrade from 0.5% to the 0.1%. So now this is 0.5%. I got this 0.5% even as a first time tretinoin user, because when I was going to buy it, when I was going to look for the 0.025% from my plug, she did not have it. All she had was this 0.5% and the 0.1%. So I decided to take the risk and just buy it, just buy this 0.5%, because I had actually done a lot of research on how to use tretinoin on the skin without getting your skin ruined and all that. So I knew my skin could handle it. I knew I could handle it, okay, as a skincare fanatic. But if you have never used tretinoin before, if this is your first time that you want to try out tretinoin, or you're watching this video because you are not sure how tretinoin works and you want to start using tretinoin, please start with a 0.025%. Now, so after months of using this same tube, I am here to give my testimony, because they were actually not wrong. Okay, they were not wrong. Tretinoin can actually give your skin a massive turn out. Like, my skin looks way brighter than it used to look before. It is also looking very smooth, and of course my skin is looking very firm. Okay, no fine lines, no wrinkles on my skin. And I actually get a lot of compliments from people that I am looking 24, 23, 22, when the fact is I am way older than 25. Okay, so you see, tretinoin is a very nice skincare ingredient that you should not be afraid of. You shouldn't be scared of trying, because if you are ready to learn how to use it very well and to your own advantage, you are actually going to enjoy using tretinoin. Okay, so let me show you a very small clip of how I use my tretinoin gel, and I'll be back to tell you more about this product. Okay, let me take you through my tretinoin routine for a very smooth, youthful glow. Okay, so I start off with this face facts foaming face wash, very gentle and soothing as well. Then follow up with my niacinamide serum, also from Face Facts, for calming and soothing effects, and to also prepare my skin barrier to receive the tretinoin gel. So I gently massage that in for a little bit. But guys, the trick is you have to wait for about 5 minutes, okay, for the niacinamide to completely dry off from your face, like 100% dried off from your face, and then go ahead and use a very pea-sized of your tretinoin gel. But what I like to do is to, mix it up with this aloe vera gel, which is also very soothing. It doesn't have any actives, okay? So if you don't have time to perform the sandwich method, this is absolutely fine as well. You can mix your gentle soothing moisturizer with your tretinoin gel and apply that on your face, okay? So now this is me gently rubbing in my tretinoin gel with my aloe vera mix on my face. Guys, remember to be gentle with your tretinoin gel and your facial routine in general, okay? If you want to have that glow. Now immediately after that, you can see my face is looking very dewy, very plump, very youthful, very demure, cutesy. And yeah, so that is my tretinoin routine that I usually do once a week. Okay, bye. That's all, period. So that is how I go about using my tretinoin gel. But other things that I would like you to know about tretinoin is that as a first timer, please start with the lowest strength of tretinoin, which is 0.025%. And then as you are, progressing with your tretinoin use, you can then upgrade to 0.5%. And when you feel like you are the odogu in tretinoin use or in using tretinoin, you can then upgrade to the higher strength, which is 0.1%. And that is what I am going to do right after using this tube. Right after I finish everything from this tube cream, I am going to upgrade to the 0.1%. And you better be ready, because I know my skin is going to look more bright, more smooth, more firmer than this. Okay, now the second thing that you need to know about tretinoin is that you have to apply your tretinoin on a very dried out face. Now right after washing your face and doing whatever you want to do on your face, maybe using your toner or your serum, you have to wait till your skin is 100% dried out before you can apply a pea size of your tretinoin. Apply a pea size of your tretinoin. Okay, now if you have a dry skin, I would advise that you use a hyaluronic acid serum or a ceramide serum before you go ahead and apply your tretinoin gel. Although this works better for oily skin types, the gel works better for oily skin types. If you have a dry skin, yours is to opt for the cream, okay, the tretinoin cream and not the gel. Another thing that you need to know is that anytime you want to use your tretinoin, please keep your routine very, very simple. I mean very, very simple. And along with hydrating products, there is no need to use tretinoin with 100 products. Along with hydrating products, like I said, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, you can also use it with niacinamide like you saw me do in the video. Okay, do not use it along with your exfoliating acids. Do not use it along with vitamin C. I mean exfoliating acids, which are what? Salicylic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, lactic acid. Do not use tretinoin with any of that if you don't want to ruin your skin. Anytime you are using this tretinoin, please use it along with hydrating products only, okay, and keep it very, very simple. 2-3 steps at most is fine. Your face, your gentle face wash, your hydrating toner, your moisturizer, and then this tretinoin gel, and you are good to go. If you have a dry skin, you can include ceramide serum or a hyaluronic acid serum for more protection on your skin, okay? And you also have to use it only at night, please. Only at night is when you can only use your tretinoin. Just like you use your exfoliating acids at night, you should also use your tretinoin at night, because they are all actives that should not be exposed to the sun. Now my simple trick to using tretinoin and why I did not go through any of that purging stage, yes, I forgot to mention it, but I did not go through any of that purging stage, any of that acne stage, any of that peeling stage, because my simple trick was that I was using it only once a week. Only once a week for the past 6 months. I have been using this product for once a week for the past 6 months. Now when I get a 0.1%, I am going to do the same, okay? But you see the rest left in this tube, I am going to try and use it 3 times a week, okay? Because it is almost done and I want to see how it will work on my skin with using it 3 times a week. That is the only reason why I am going to use it 3 times a week. But when it finished and I'm going to get the I get the 0.1%, I will still use it once a week for a very long time before I start using it twice or thrice a week. Okay, so that is my very simple trick in using tretinoin without breaking out, without peeling and all of that nasty stuff, because I really did not want to go through any of that. Okay, and that is how I went about using tretinoin without getting my skin ruined. Okay, yeah, and that is it for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You know what to do. Like this video, go ahead and like this video. Also, if you have any comments, if you have any questions about this tretinoin gel or any other skincare issues that you have, please leave them down in the comment section. Even if you don't have any questions, just leave a nice comment. Let me know that you are here. Let me know that you watched this video. Okay, and until next time, take care, stay blessed, love you. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't as well, for more skincare related contents like this one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.